Hello guys, in this video we'll be talking about 5 VS Code extensions that every developer should know. First one is Live Server. Live Server extensions enforces auto reload and simplifies developers' work by displaying the result of their code directly in the web browser, even without reloading the page. It spares developers the burden of constantly saving work in the editor and then reloading the browser to see the changes. Second one is REST Client. REST Client is another popular VS Code extension. It allows developers to send HTTP requests and read the return message directly in the VS Code. Third one is Setting Sync. Setting Sync extensions allows developers to sync snippets, settings, themes, keys, bindings and file icon across the various machines while working on a development project. Fourth one is Docker. Docker is not a new thing for modern developers. The Docker extension for VS Code brings all its container management features to your favorite code editor. It has more than 17 million downloads and can be used to create, manage and debug containerized application with a few clicks. Fifth one is Peacock. Peacock extension is useful for changing the color of your workspace when you have multiple code editor windows active at once. It's useful to distinguish among the various code editor windows and projects. Thank you.